In this discussion, you can see delete method, which is one of the common ORM method. Also, we will see supported decorator if it is, and in which situation we need to override this method. If you missed previous discussion related copy method, please check, link is given in description. I'm going to browser, going to student profile, and you can see total 23 records is available here. And now we are trying to delete one record. Once I will click here or any of this record, you can see this menu is visible in middle of the screen. Name is action. When you click here, you can see here this delete option, and this delete option is only visible who have access rights to delete this profile. Once I will click to this delete menu, you can see this confirmation pop-up message is visible, and there is a two options. One is OK and cancel. If you will click to cancel, it will discard to cancel, discard to delete. And once you will click to OK button, here you can see total is 23 records, and once I will click to this OK button, it will permanently remove from the database. And here you can see runtime, it's reduce records. So like this way that unlink method is working. Let's override that method and see possibilities. I'm going to editor and open that student profile. And here I'm using unlink and self parameter. Self parameter is it's a record set of this model. First we need to call super method of this unlink. I'm going to upside and copy this one. I have to paste here, and then after use as a self, and then after dot unlink. Here this RTN we must have to return, and for the double check this method actually override successfully or not, self statement, and I'm trying to print this self statement. And what about this return statement? I'm just adding here return statement, comma RTN. Right now no need to add any decorator, like it's similarly working as a write method. No need to add any decorator in version 13. Going to terminal and restart the service. No need to upgrade the module. Again going to browser, refresh the page. So trying to remove this zip, student profile, delete, and going to terminal. You can see this self statement itself having a record set. It depends on the selected records. Like if you are selecting multiple records, you can see here multiple records will be available in this self parameter itself, and try to call this super method. After you can see this return statement having a boolean data type. True means successfully deleted from database, and false means it's due to some issue it didn't delete in database side. So like this way it's working. Let me delete more than one record. Again I'm going to here in browser and try to delete two records and confirm. You can see it's reduced as a 19 records. I'm going to PyCharm, and you can see here the list of records, and the record set is available like 66 and 67 ID, and successfully written, it means it successfully deleted from the database side. Few things we need to remember is in version 13 we don't need to use decorator anymore. After the self statement, like self parameter having a record set, and we need to call the super method, and the return type should be boolean, true and false. Now we are trying to add some test cases, real test cases. Like for example, I'm going to browser. Let me open one student profile. Like let's say this XYZ student profile having some registered in school profile or invoice generated, something like that. So we don't need to delete this record permanently. Only we need to do is only archive this record. In previous discussion we already discussed about this active field, which is a soft delete, and what we are right now doing is a hard delete. So you can see that both difference in my previous video. Also you can see in description like what is difference between hard delete and soft delete, and that concept also you can use any programming language. So let me show you how to restrict to delete any record in inside unlink method. Going to PyCharm, and here I'm using like for loop, stud and self. If let's say total fees is more than 0, then we don't need to delete this school profile. Stud.total underscore fees greater than 0, then we have to raise one error like pop-up message, user error, and inside we have to add one message: you cannot delete this student profile, and simply I'm using as a stud.name, and restart the service because we changed in Python. And let me try to delete this profile. Oops, we having a error. A number is required, not str. Oh, okay, sorry, it's my mistake. Instead of d we have to use %s. Okay, retry, like delete, and okay. So you can see here you cannot delete this XYZ student profile. So right now, like including administrator also can't delete this record from front end side. So we already added one hard code, and if that condition is matched, then no one remove this profile. But yes, if you are going to backend side, I mean in database side, and you can just fire one delete query, like that time like this profile will delete. Now what we have to do is, I'm just trying to remove from console. Let me restart this service. Stud underscore list equal to self.env school.student.browse, and let me go to browser to identify some IDs. '68, '69 and '70. So you can see here for this profile having a 500 fees, for this profile also having a 500, and this profile having a 500. So now I'm trying to delete those profile from terminal. oops. Okay, so let me print. So you can see we have one record set for this 3 profile, and now trying to delete. Like whenever you have to delete from terminal or from code, unlink. Only we need to use that record set, like this is a record set, then after dot and unlink. Once you click to press, you can see here you cannot delete this copy like this student profile because we already added one condition. So if I will try to like comment and exit and re-initialize this instant, stud list equal to self.env (68, 69 and 70). For the double check we will see, okay, we have a correct record set, and try to unlink. So you can see it's already printed like this statement, and then after this return statement, you can see. And one more thing is this return statement comes from here for this one. It's successfully deleted. Also you can see here like this log, like deleted this student profile and IDs with this IDs. If you go to browser and refresh, you can see still 19 records is available, because right now I'm using 2 instances. So I have to add here, I have to commit. Okay, right now it's committed, and once I will go to here and refresh the page, you can see now 3 records reduced, so 16 records is available. Like this way you can override this method, and based on your conditions you can also restrict. In case you have any doubt, please comment below, and see you in next session.